my brother, if you're on this life, don't fear woman. Fear Peter Obi. Chineke fear Peter Obi. Governor Soludo na ebe celebrate 1 year on any stage in any speech. Peter Obi bia ndị wado ko aka. Governor Chineke maka na akola aka. God. For like some minutes, I interrupt you if I am in a hall. People are there scream. Bishops, people, dignitaries need to stand up for Peter Obi. Chineke don't fear women. What do you want to make? What do you want to make? Only when I say fear women, slap that person. Fear Peter Obi. That man, Jesus Christ. For that man, I assume you. What was I will be in Peter Obi's shoe. Chineke this guy, hey! You can hear the guy behind the video comedy on a stage. Now, crack a joke. One big artist, Abata. You saw now, Kurusie. For you to blend in, a hard person the artist. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome Whiskey. They call now Abata. Anybody they team Corey Quacker. I was one another who's if in a call. Oh, you say thank you, that's my time. That can never be your time. I think I'm my time. Prove to us that can never be your time. Just watch this video. Peter Obi, everybody send them my account today. 1 bottle for you. You could say, oh, man, and one you be. Nobody even there naked deny like by now, celebration could see that the whole Nigeria. Celebration, no more could see the free. People put if you leave. Hey, my brother, don't fight grace. You will be disgraced. I try. Peter Obi have to go mode. Before now, Peter Obi, Malaketa, just watch go to this video. Hey!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. He said the former governor is coming. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yes, I think today is a very, very special day. It's a very special day. Very special day in Anambra.
No surrender. Who fight and run away needs to fight another day.